Hello! In today's lesson we will continue to find the percentage of a number, but we will use the decimal notation of the number. What do we need to do this? So, if we need to find 25% of 120, what do we have to do? Of course, we can use the way that we have looked at. That is, I can multiply 25 by 120 and divide by 100. And I am left with 120 divided by 4, and this will be 30. And the result is that we have found 25% of the number 120. But there's another way of calculating percentages of a number. In this case, you have to take 2 steps. What steps? Step 1. I'm going to write it down like this. We need to convert our percentages to decimals. So 25% is 25% divided by 100%. And as a result of that, the percent sign is reduced and we get 25 hundredths. I will not reduce this fraction because our method is based on the decimal notation of our percentages. So 25 hundredths is 0.25 hundredths. Now for step 2. We need to find the percent of a number. To do that, I'm going to decimal notation. 0.25 hundredths. Multiply it by 120. And when you multiply 0.25 hundredths by 120, you'll get 30. Let's check it out. 120. Let's write down 0.25 hundredths and multiply it by 100. 20. I'm not going to consider 0 yet. I'm going to multiply 2 by 5. 2 times 5 it will be 10. 1 remember. 2 times 2 it will be 4. And 1 in my mind it will be 5. 1 times 5 is 5 and 1 times 2 is 2. The result is 0. We put it down. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 5. 0 and 1 we memorize, and here we get 30. And remember how to multiply decimal fractions by a whole number. In our answer, we need to allocate the whole part for this. We need to count the number of digits after the decimal point 1, 2. We move from right to left 1, 2 and put the decimal point. We get the answer 30, which is basically what we got in the first case. The point is that in different situations you can use different methods as you like, as you see fit. So when you're to find the percentages of the number 120, it would be more convenient to use multiplication. Percent by 120 and division by 100. But if you have some ugly number or ugly percentage, in this case it is more convenient to use decimal notation and then multiply the obtained numbers. In the next lesson, we will analyze an example where we will find the percentage of a number using decimal notation. And for today, I have all goodbye until new meetings.